That's it. You're on a diet. You're on a diet. I can't give you more food. You have to diet. It's not my fault. It's what the vet said. You're too fat.